Greetings parents and siblings! In this video, I'm going to share with you how to cook menudo. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Hit the notification bell for more awesome content. Let's proceed. Put some oil in the pan. Pour in the diced carrots and saute over medium heat for about 5 minutes or until they're softened and slightly caramelized. Once cooked, transfer the carrots to a plate. Next up, potatoes. Let's saute those diced beauties until they're golden brown and crispy. Also, once cooked, immediately transfer to a plate. Next, saute the pork Kasim for 5 minutes to lock in the flavors. Add 1 pork cube to the pan for extra flavor to add a little richness. Pour in the sliced hot dogs for a delicious surprise. Immediately transfer to a plate. Saute the chicken liver of lamb. Transfer to a plate. Garlic and onion are the dynamic duo in the kitchen. Add a touch of umami, 1 tablespoonful of pesos. Now, add the cooked chicken liver back in the pan. Liver and pork, a match made in heaven. Adding a seared hotdog to my menudo adds a smoky, savory twist. The sauteed carrots are adding a beautiful golden hue and a touch of sweetness to this dish. Time to add the potatoes for a hearty and satisfying meal. Adding a rich and tangy tomato sauce for a delicious depth of flavor. The aroma of simmering pork is intoxicating. Can't wait to see how tender it gets after 40 minutes. Add pepper powder. Just a hint of sugar to enhance the natural sweetness of the dish. Time to see if the meat is perfectly tender. Gentle poke will tell the tale. And there you have it. The dish is complete and ready to be enjoyed. Time to make this dish look as good as it tastes. Plating time! Behold, my delicious menudo is ready to be enjoyed. New here? Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. See you soon!